Good morning. Welcome to Lionel's Reviews. Today we're taking a look at the Brava Pure Light cooking oven, and we're putting it to the test. Can it cook two foods at once? Eggs and bacon? And let's find out. To start, we search for eggs and bacon on Brava's touchscreen. Once we find it, we select that option and follow the step-by-step instructions. First, it asks what type of bacon we're using. Then it shows us exactly where to place it on the tray and which tray to use. And after that, it gives a few final instructions and tells us to press the green button to start cooking. Now here's something interesting. You don't start with both items in the oven. It begins with just the bacon. The timer starts counting up, showing a total cook time of 12 minutes and 30 seconds. At 7 minutes and 30 seconds, the oven pauses and prompts me to add the eggs. Then it's back to the green button, and we continue cooking. The only custom settings I chose was extra crispy bacon, just how my wife likes it. The timer resumes, heading toward 12 minutes 30 seconds. But interestingly, the Brava adjusts on its own. It adds an extra minute, finishing at 13 minutes and 30 seconds. Once it's done, I grab a silicone glove, pull everything out, and everything is cooked perfectly. What I really like is how the Brava walks you through the entire process, step by step. No guessing. Now for the taste test. The eggs are exactly how I like them, and the bacon is perfectly crispy, just the way my wife wanted. So yes, the Brava can cook two things at once, and it does a great job doing it. Thanks for watching Lionel's Reviews. If you'd like to see more about the Brava oven, let me know in the comments. Thanks.